Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, the Hammocks local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move requires careful planning. If you attempt to take on the relocation on your own, several things may go wrong, including losing and damaging fragile items in your luggage. To avoid problems, you should choose a moving company with vast experience and competence. We provide first-rate long-distance services. Our movers take great care and concern for your valuables. We offer the most efficient moving vehicles and equipment. Your valuables are safe when you use our services. We also have all the necessary permits to move your things across vast distances. We are a reliable local moving company in the Hammocks, and our previous clients can testify to it. Like long-distance moves, local moves also require careful planning, although they're less costly. However, if you choose to hire the wrong moving company, you may not get your money's worth. We provide the most affordable local moves, charging between $30 and $40 per hour. Because of our reasonable moving labor rates, we get lots of referrals from locals. In addition to local and long-distance moving, the Hammocks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.